This ice cream will be a huge hit with its thin, crunchy chocolate shell and creamy inside. Let's start by preparing the shell. Here I have about 150 grams of dark chocolate and I'm going to melt it in the microwave. Once melted, it will have this consistency. Let's get the ice cream bags. We'll need bags about this size. I'm going to do it like this so it's easier to put the chocolate in. We'll put in about 2 tablespoons. We want a very thin shell, but one that covers the whole ice cream. And we'll spread it like this over the bag. We'll do this process with all the bags, and then in a blender add 400 grams of condensed milk, 400 grams of cream, then a cup of powdered milk, and 200 ml of milk. Now put everything in the blender and blend until smooth. And I'll tell you right away, it's very creamy, it's going to be delicious. After blending with the help of a funnel, we'll pour the cream into our sachet. It's very simple and easy to do. Now let's tie it up. Fill in the rest of the bag, and once it's done and tied up, take a look at how it turned out. Now just put it in the freezer to freeze. And once frozen, look how delicious it is. I'll show you how it turned out. Look how perfect it is. It's so delicious. You don't need to buy anymore. Make your own ice cream at home. Super creamy and with a chocolate shell on the outside. Look how delicious it is. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.